Today, we're unboxing the iLoveBee B87 mechanical keyboard. We got this on Amazon for $30, marked down or on sale from $60, this colorway at least. The original price is $60. I think if we were to keep it, it would be at the $30 price point. Opening the box, it comes with a dust cover and comes with some extra goodies, a couple of switches, switch puller, and a USB-C cable. And the keyboard does come with linear switches. They call them Aster switches. They are hot swappable. Comes with an extra pause key. The keyboard is tri-mode connectivity, so you can connect it via the 2.4 dongle, Bluetooth, or wired if you'd like. Comes with an instruction manual, how to change the RGB, all that good stuff. This is an 80% TKL keyboard. TKL means 10 keyless, so it does not have the number pad on the side. It has a lot of the buttons that would come on a full-size keyboard, but it does not have the number pad option. Again, it does save space versus the full-size keyboard. Showing you the RGB here. It does not shine through super great, but it does have RGB on the sides and the top. My overall review is that it does sound good. It does fit a decent budget at the $30 price point, but it is not my favorite 80% keyboard. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Stick around for the sound test.